This is my BMW M235i.
And I bought it 8 months ago with the dream of turning it into something really, really special.
So, as you guys know, we've been modding it since I've got it, basically. We started with these mirrors and the sequential indicators. This was the first semi-big mod we ever did. Then we moved on to the back and we got the diffuser fitted alongside the M Performance exhaust tips. So, what else did we do? I'm sure you guys know by now, we fitted a sports cat, which sounded amazing, and it still does sound amazing. Sorry, I didn't mean to say sounded. It still sounds amazing. But, as you can see, there's still quite a lot missing. If you guys take a look on the back of the car, what is the one thing that stands out that doesn't look great? I'll give you guys a moment. But, it may or may not have something to do with these dusty ass taillights. They are dirty. So yeah, today we're changing out the pre-LCI taillights for something really, really special. We're changing the pre-LCI taillights to the LCI taillights because they just look a whole lot better and it'll make my car just look mwah, beautiful. These taillights were sent out from the guys over at Bimatech. We'll talk about them in a little bit, but thank you, Bimatech. Okay, well, you know what? Let's just get straight to installing it. So, first thing we're gonna do is these tabs here. There should be a 10mm socket in there and in that one there. 2 10mm and it should come straight out. Excellent. Let's just do it. Let's just go. Why not? You guys might be wondering why I've got my engine cover and all that in the boot. Well, unfortunately right now the car is a non-runner. It doesn't run. Basically, the truth is that it's got a massive misfire. It's spraying fuel everywhere. But that doesn't matter because today we're doing the tail lights. It's N55 problems, guys. Don't stress about that. That's for my job to stress about.
So to take this out, I used Bimatech's Essential Kit that they sent out to me as well. I highly recommend getting this whenever you buy something from their website because it's just so good.
Right guys, this is the old tail light. As you can see, you can probably tell I've had it lightly smoked. So, you know, if anyone wants a OEM lightly smoked tail light, I mean, it's just tinted, so you can just take it off if you don't want it smoked. Then let me know. We've got 2, perfect condition, just a bit dirty. Okay, but before I show you the tail lights, I've just got to tell you basically how we're going to install this. So, unfortunately, this isn't a plug and play sort of thing. What we need is we need to repin this connector. I don't know if it's on camera, but the connector from the old tail light to, which is an 8-pin, to this one, which is a 6-pin. It shouldn't be too hard, but then it does need coding afterwards, which I'm going to attempt to do myself. Bimatech do offer it though. Okay guys, so a good hour later, we've been able to re-pin all of these, because what you had to do, you had to re-pin the cables. This really wasn't that hard. You had to take them out. This one, the sheet is online, and you plug them in for this one. It's really easy, but now I guess I've got to show you the tail lights so we can plug it in. So, before I show you the new tail lights, which I think are amazing, I've got to tell you guys about Bimatech. So yes, Bimatech did send me these out again, so thank you very much, Bimatech. Mwah. Excellent, they sent me out my CarPlay before, but I've got to tell you about their Black Friday sale. So, Black Friday actually starts early with Bimatech, and it's actually already started by the time this video is up, so go on their website, check out their sales, and if you use my code, which is on screen right now, you'll get yourself 10 to 15% off on their website on every single product, not just selected products. So, as it is every single product, stocks are limited. You need to get there as early as possible, and this sale will last all the way up until the end of 2024, so make sure you guys are there. Okay then, so here they are in all their glory. They're very similar to the old ones. Here's the 2 side by side, if you can see. Obviously it's hard to see because it's got the protective wrap on it. I'm going to leave that on until I get it on because I don't want to scratch it. But they're very similar, but this one just looks so much cleaner when they're turned on. You're going to see at the end of the video, but yeah, they're going to look really clean. I'm so excited to put them on. Let's just plug them in. Let's go.
But yeah, another huge shout out to Bimatech for sending me this out. They don't only do tail lights, they do loads of other things like retrofits, just like the CarPlay we installed in my last video. But yeah, all retrofits for BMW and Minis, so just make sure to check them out.
Okay, it's in. Let's take off the wrap and see what it looks like. Oh yeah, that looks so clean. Here's the difference between the 2 right now. That looks so clean. Actually, you know what? Let's turn it on, see if it all works first, but then we'll do the other side. Yes! Yes, they work! Yes! Oh my God, that looks so good! Oh my God. Okay. Alright, let me take the hazards on. Yep. Wicked. Hazards work. Oh my. Okay, so it looks like everything works, and as you can see, it looks so clean. Just look at them compared to each other right now. That side just looks so clean. I mean, this side isn't bad. I do like the pre-LCI 2 Series tail lights. They do look good, but my God, does these look better. I was thinking about tinting them, but I don't think I want to anymore. I don't think I want to tint them. I think I'm going to keep them like that because it just looks beautiful. Okay, well, I'm going to install the other one. Just look how good these look. Let's turn them on, just see if they work, but then I also need to do coding. I already mentioned that, but I'm going to need to code it, which I'll do off camera just because I'll have to use my phone for that. But yeah, I'll leave the link in the description. It's quite easy, I think. Cool, they work. Awesome. Wow, they look so good. Awesome. My bad, guys. All right then, let's show you the tail lights. So there they are, guys. Oh my God, they look so good. They look amazing. I think they honestly, they look brilliant. I love them. I love them. Look at that. Hang on. Let me turn the lights on. Look at that. Oh my God. They're so clean. I think they're so clean. I'm in love with them. They look so good. And the indicators as well look great. Yeah. 10 out of 10. A lot of you guys might be wondering why I even got new tail lights. And it's basically purely down to I just got bored of the old ones. I've always liked the old 2 Series tail lights, the one I've got, the one I have. By the way, they're going to be up for sale if you're interested. But I've always liked the old 2 Series tail lights, but I just got a bit bored of them, and I've always preferred the LCI ones because I just think they look mwah. So I had to get it. What can I say? So yeah, we did end up going for the LCI tail lights, which are just basically the tail lights that were made, I believe, on these 2 series from 2018 onwards. I believe that's the case. So LCI, basically. So basically, they're fully OEM BMW, so original BMW part, just on an older car, which I really like. So yeah, I mean, this is gonna make my car look so much cleaner than it already does. In my head, there was 2 other options I could have went for as well. So obviously you got the LCI, which I am my favourite. And then we got the GTS style, which is interesting. I think they just look a bit weird on the 2 series. I'm not sure why, they just do. And then lastly, there is like a hybrid between the G series and the F series one. I'll put it on screen. It's interesting. I considered it, but it's not a bit of me. So yeah, unfortunately, that is the end of today's video. If you guys want to see me installing the CarPlay onto my BMW, then click up there. And if you don't, I'll see every single one of you guys in the next video. Goodbye. Goodbye, guys.